Welcome to Brilliant Change Management with me, Tony Hunt. This is a 9-module program. I'm delighted you decided to join us, and it's our purpose to make it possible for you to manage your organization's change with confidence and with professionalism. The Brilliant Suite consists of 3 programs, the soft skills that we consider vitally important for the future. And Brilliant Change Management is meant to have you move confidently into a viable future state by using established models of success. It's quite important to say that this program has not been devised solely for online subscription. We have presented it in many different countries and to many different audiences, and so what you're going to experience is the result of a great deal of practice, of research, and we hope that you'll get a confident idea as to how you can progress in your near future. The seminar itself has 9 modules. Each module will take you towards implementing a strategic approach to managing change in your organization. And these are they. These are the 9 modules of the program. The first module is a rationale, preliminary work. Why do we need to produce a methodology in order to make change operate? Second is understanding the need for change, and that's been forced upon us in part by the results of the pandemic that we've all undergone. I'm introducing in Module 3 what I'm calling the discipline of strategic thinking. The intention of this is to find a strategic thinking model that you can then implement and which will enable you to carry along your colleagues on the journey. Module 4 asks us to consider how people respond to change, because we all take the idea of change differently, and as much as we can encompass in our thinking beforehand will assist us in making it easier for them to understand the necessity of what lies ahead. Module 5 looks at the vision and the mission of change, the way in which we can define and then show how we follow a roadmap towards reaching our objective. Communicating and initiating the change is Module 6, and then we work out how to actually get it going, how to implement it, and make sure that we're in control of it. We'll be putting in place checks and balances to enable us to monitor the change in Module 8, and then very importantly, the final module is housekeeping the change. The whole purpose of making something happen is one thing. Keeping it going is an entirely different one, because people will revert to habit unless we are able to housekeep this in a way that makes sure we stay in charge of the whole process itself. A choice of assignments follows each module, and each assignment is set for you to practice new ways of doing things. Some of these exercises will require substantial effort from you on your behalf, and they will only succeed in helping you develop if you commit to them. And this is the big ask. How do you deal with the exercises? Is it going to be a tick box approach, or are you really going to commit yourselves? It may be the case that you share this program with some of your colleagues, and if that is the case, we recommend that you screenshot or photograph each completed assignment topic. I'll remind you when the assignment pages come up. So let's move on to Module 1 of Brilliant Change Management.